Imagine waking up tomorrow and realizing that you can start making money online without needing a huge budget, expensive equipment, or years of technical skills. What if all you needed was a smartphone, a laptop, and a few powerful artificial intelligence tools? Right now, artificial intelligence is transforming the way people work, create content, and build businesses online. And the truth is, thousands of people are already using AI tools to generate income from home. Some people are creating digital products. Others are running faceless YouTube channels. Some are offering freelance services powered by AI. And many beginners are discovering that AI can dramatically reduce the time it takes to start an online business. In fact, AI tools can help automate tasks like writing, designing, editing videos, creating voiceovers, and even building websites. That means things that used to take days or weeks can now be done in minutes. And because of this, a new category of online opportunities has emerged. These opportunities are called AI side hustles. An AI side hustle simply means using artificial intelligence tools to help you create products, services, or digital content that can generate income. In this video, we're going to explore 7 AI side hustles you can start with $0. These are beginner-friendly opportunities that do not require advanced technical knowledge. Some of them can be started today. And some of them have the potential to grow into full online businesses. So if you're interested in learning how to make money online with AI tools, make sure you watch this video until the end. Because the final AI side hustle on this list is one of the fastest growing opportunities on the internet right now. Let's get started. 1. AI content writing. The first AI side hustle you can start with $0 is AI content writing. Businesses all over the world need written content. They need blog posts, product descriptions, email newsletters, social media captions, and marketing copy. And traditionally, companies had to hire professional writers to create this content. But today, artificial intelligence tools can assist with much of the writing process. One of the most popular tools for this is ChatGPT. This AI assistant can help generate articles, marketing copy, blog outlines, and even research summaries. Freelancers are using AI writing tools to produce high-quality content much faster than before. Some people offer services like writing blog posts, creating website content, writing product descriptions, generating email marketing campaigns, creating social media captions. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer have thousands of clients looking for these services. Because AI speeds up the writing process, freelancers can complete more projects and increase their earnings. According to industry reports, some AI-powered freelancers are charging between $75 and $200 per hour for AI-assisted services depending on their niche. If you're good at research and editing, AI writing can become a powerful online side hustle. 2. AI social media content creation. The second AI side hustle is creating social media content using AI tools. Businesses today rely heavily on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube to promote their products and services. But creating consistent content can be time-consuming. This is where AI tools can help. AI writing tools can generate captions and content ideas. Design tools can create graphics and posts. And automation tools can help schedule posts. Businesses are willing to pay for content creation services because social media marketing is essential for brand growth. Freelancers often offer packages such as Instagram content creation, social media captions, content calendars, short-form video ideas. Some content creators charge between $50 and $500 for content packages depending on the volume of posts and graphics included. With the help of AI, beginners can start offering social media services even if they have limited design experience. 3. AI YouTube automation. The third AI side hustle is YouTube automation using AI tools. This is one of the most popular opportunities right now. Instead of appearing on camera, creators produce videos using scripts, voiceovers, and stock footage. This type of channel is often called a faceless YouTube channel. Here's how the process works. First, a script is created using AI. Then a voiceover is generated. Next, stock footage or AI-generated visuals are used to build the video. Tools like AI writing assistants, AI voice generators, AI video editors can dramatically speed up the process. Creators are using these workflows to produce videos in niches like finance, technology, motivation, AI tools, online business. And because YouTube pays creators through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing, some channels generate thousands of dollars per month. AI tools make it easier to produce content consistently, which is important for growing a YouTube channel. 4. AI voiceover services. Another growing AI side hustle is AI voiceover creation. Voiceovers are needed for YouTube videos, advertisements, podcasts, audiobooks, explainer videos. Traditionally, businesses had to hire voice actors to record audio. But AI voice generation technology can now produce extremely realistic voiceovers. One of the most popular tools for this is 11 Labs. This platform allows users to convert text into natural-sounding speech. Freelancers can offer services like YouTube voiceovers, narration for explainer videos, audiobook narration, podcast voiceovers. Many freelancers charge $50 to $200 per voiceover depending on the project length. Because AI can generate voiceovers quickly, creators can complete projects faster. 5. AI art and design. The fifth AI side hustle involves AI-generated art and design. AI image generators can create digital artwork, illustrations, logos, and product designs. One of the most well-known tools for this is Midjourney. With AI art tools, users can create digital illustrations, book covers, logos, social media graphics, merchandise designs. Many people sell AI-generated designs on platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, Fiverr. Some creators even build print-on-demand businesses selling t-shirts, posters, and digital downloads. AI dramatically reduces the time required to create design assets. 6. AI video creation. Another powerful opportunity is AI video creation. Video content is dominating the internet today. Short-form videos on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts receive billions of views every day. AI video tools can help generate or edit videos much faster. For example, platforms like Runway ML allow creators to edit videos, remove backgrounds, and generate visual effects automatically. Some freelancers offer services like social media video editing, promotional video creation, short-form content production. Video editing is one of the fastest-growing skills on freelance platforms. AI tools allow beginners to produce professional-looking content without expensive software. 7. AI digital products. The final AI side hustle is creating digital products with AI. Digital products include things like ebooks, online guides, templates, courses, digital planners. AI tools can assist with writing, design, and research. Creators often sell digital products on platforms like Gumroad, PayHip, Etsy, Amazon KDP. Some digital products can generate passive income because they can be sold repeatedly without additional production costs. There are even examples of people making hundreds or thousands of dollars from digital products created with AI assistance. This makes digital products one of the most scalable AI side hustles available today. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is changing the way people build businesses and generate income online. Tasks that once required specialized skills or expensive software can now be done using AI-powered tools. From writing and design to voiceovers and video production, AI is making it easier for beginners to enter the digital economy. The 7 AI side hustles we discussed today are just a few examples of how people are using technology to create new opportunities. The most important thing is to start experimenting with these tools and learning how they work. Pick one side hustle from this list and focus on developing your skills. Because the people who learn how to use AI effectively today will have a significant advantage in the future digital economy. Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure you like this video so more people can discover it. Also subscribe to this channel for more videos about AI tools, online income strategies, and digital skills that can help you succeed in the modern world. And before you go, tell me in the comments, which AI side hustle are you most interested in trying? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.